If you are looking for budget-friendly earbuds that delivers Raycon quality, then this video is for you. Introducing the second generation Raycon Everyday Earbuds. I was lucky to try out these earbuds and they quickly became my top recommendation for affordable earbuds. While the first version was almost perfect, there were a few minor issues. Raycon have managed to improve on these little flaws and make the second generation earbuds even better. First off, the everyday earbuds comes in 4 different colors and will set you back around $79.99, so which is less than $100, hitting that sweet spot for me in terms of overall value for the money. I have the carbon black version, but what really matters is the new protective case. I got the yellow sunset case, which is not only stylish but practically it protects the case itself. In the box you get paperwork, your USB-C cable, multiple different ear tips. You get from small to large and extra large ear tips, which gives you more option to choose for perfect fit. Talking about the design, the company has tweaked it as well and made it now slimmer and sleeker, making it easy to carry around in your pockets. The case is now easier to grab with protective case, offering better shock protection and a cool look. The fit is still comfortable and you can adjust the ear tips to suit your ear size. The touch control on the top of the earbuds are easy to use, and all this is still available at the same affordable price. The case is more compact and easier to carry around, which was one of my concerns with the first version. Talking about the sound, the bass is a lot better in this version. If you love music or hip hop or EDMs, you really enjoy the rich deep bass. And don't worry, overall sound quality is still top notch, just like the first generation. In fact, the improved bass is my favorite upgrade. These earbuds even compete with the much more expensive AirPods Pro when it comes to the bass. Plus, the active noise cancellation feature is still here and works even better. Also, having the 32 hours of battery life and a quick charge function, which about 10 minutes plugged in, will give you about an hour and a half of additional listening. Also, these earbuds comes with dustproof protection as well. As for the microphone, they have also improved. True, there is still room for growth to make them to the best in class, but overall, these second generation Raycon Everyday Earbuds tick all the right boxes and are a cut above the rest. If you want to learn more about the earbuds, click the link right at the top of the description down below to check them out. And a huge thanks again to the team at Raycon for sending these new and improved earbuds over for me to check out. And again, if you are on the lookout of affordable yet high quality earbuds, the second generation Raycon Everyday Earbuds might be your perfect match. Drop your comments below, and as always, if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell, and I see you in the next video.